Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So traders, in this video, I want to talk about silver and gold and what's going on right now with silver and gold and what's really happening right now and the small picture and the big picture as well too. So on that daily chart right now with silver and gold, we're getting a very strong breakout, right? A very, very strong breakout. We've been going sideways for quite some time. Or you see this nice downward movement through here. Pretty much just a downward movement through there. Right, really nothing much going on. And now we're getting a big break up. A very nice strong break up out. And now we're starting to pick up that, what we call the strength in this market, okay? Now this low through here is really, really interesting because if I put on this here, I know there's a lot of stuff through here, but if I squeeze my chart up, you can see how the market came down to, it actually came down to this 50% level, ran up, came down to this 50% level, held it, and now we're going for a big run. That's actually really, really, really strong because they say in the markets, right, if the market runs up through there, and we have this level through here and call this the 50% level. If the market retraces 50% or less and then holds and then bounce, it's likely to continue. Okay, it's likely to continue. So if we go to the weekly charts here, you'll be able to see the same thing I'm talking about here, right? So let me squeeze it up here, right? So we had this big move up. The market pulled back where? To right on that 50% level and held that 50% level. That's a very strong move in the markets, right? Now, not only that, but look at this here. And look at this here, right? We had what? We had this very strong move up, and then what? And then what did we get? We got what? We got and just a very weak pullback, 50%, right? Of this move up, 50% pullback, and now we're getting what? Another move to the upside, aren't we? Another move up through here. So that's a very, very, very strong move. Interesting, right? Interesting that this is exactly what the stock market's doing right now, right? The stock market had this move, and we're just going through this period through here right now. So it'd be interesting to see whether the stock market does something similar to the silver and gold market as well too, right? So gold is looking really strong right now. We've already created this higher low through here. We're picking up through here right now. So I would say that looking at this here, yeah, we're just getting ready, aren't we? We're just, yeah. So I just lost my train of thought there. So yeah, so this higher low through here, guys, right now, if the market does break up and out through here, the projection actually for this leg, let me do this here. The projection for this leg, right? So we have this low point to this high point. If I do this here, go from there to there, and I extend this up and out, the projection for this leg, if it continues, is actually up through here. Now, is that any level? Oh, what a quinky dink, right? Look at that, right? So I just did a projection tool, and if I go back in time, that line up there is the projection. But if I go back in time, look at this. What is this? This is what? That's that trend line through there. Look at all that support, resistance, 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 right smack on that. So coincidence? I think not. So that's what's happening right now in gold, and the silver market is just, man, silver is really, really, really lacking behind. The one thing I do know about silver is that when it starts to move, we're going to get some serious movement right now. So for me personally, I'm looking to do some more of a longer term strategies in this one here on silver, because I do believe, well, I do know that over the next couple of years we're about to see some big movement. So I've got some more longer term positions on silver. I'm really, 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 really excited about that. So there we go, guys. Gold right now is looking really, really strong, and silver is just like, what's gold? But you better believe that cat is going to come out of the bag real fast, and it's going to start to catch up real quick. Hey traders, thanks for watching my YouTube video. You know that there's a lot of areas in the trading arena, right, for you to become a good trader, right? There's the trading systems, there's the chart reading strategies, there's the foundations, the mindset, and there's so many areas, right, you need to really understand in order for you to become a good trader. So that's what I've created, the Master Trader Lab. I put everything in there for you to become a really, really good trader, and I'm giving you a free trial. So if you go to mastertraderlab.com, and you can grab a free trial to this and start learning the chart reading strategies, the trading systems, the mindset, so much more in there and start to learn the skills to become what I call a master trader. So go to mastertraderlab.com.